Hey everyone, welcome to Dude Let's Draw. I'm Jen Yoko, and I'm just testing out these new short formats, so I just want to say to you guys, don't give up. I love drawing digital art, I teach it, I draw as much as I possibly can, and I'm wanting to work on my biggest dream, which is my Yoko-chan delivery service, comic, and cartoon. And although it takes a lot of time and energy and effort, don't give up on what you want. I'm also not feeling well, but I also don't want to give up. I also don't want to strain and stress about it and, blame myself for not getting anything done. And today's one of those days where I just can't do much of anything but sit and do something very light, or else I'll get yelled at by my friends and family. So don't give up. Write your dream down, work on it a little bit at a time, and you'll get it done. Stay happy and healthy, everyone. Bye!